Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm making gazpacho soup. Gazpacho soup is a chilled, refreshing soup made from kind of like raw salad vegetables like tomatoes, peppers and cucumber, then marinated and blended up. So it's quite a rustic soup as well, but perfect for this weather. So we'll get straight into this. Okay, so I've got 4 vine tomatoes here. And it's very important to use ripe tomatoes for this. It'll make a big difference to the flavour of the soup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the skin from the tomato. So just take it off the little green part and remove the eye. And just score the top of the tomato like this. Okay, so now we're just going to blanch these in boiling water for 10 seconds. Okay, so just carefully place your tomatoes into the water. Okay, then after 10 seconds, we'll take them out and into the ice water. Okay, so once the tomatoes have been refreshed in the ice water, we can now remove the skins. Okay, so once the skins are removed, we can now just dice our tomatoes up. Okay, so now we can just slice up our pepper, which has just been washed. So we'll just cut it in half, remove the seeds. I'm just going to keep a little bit back for the garnish at the end as well, so just finely dice this. And the same with the green pepper. Okay, so next we've got half a cucumber. So I'm just going to peel the cucumber. Okay, and now we're just going to slice this up. Again, I will keep a little bit back for the garnish at the end. So just, I'm going to keep the seeds in this as well. This also adds to the texture of the soup. Okay, so we've also got 2 cloves of garlic, so just chop these up. Okay, so I've got some fresh basil leaves here, a good bunch of fresh basil. So we'll keep some back just for the garnish at the end, a few leaves, that's it. And the rest we'll just chop up. And for the garnish we'll just slice it a little bit finer. I've also got some kind of crusty bread here. It's gone a little bit stale, so this is what we want. I just want to kind of dice this up as well. So this will give the soup a bit of body and a bit of texture. It also kind of thicken the soup as well. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some salt. Some pepper, some red wine vinegar. I'm using red wine vinegar, but you can use sherry vinegar. And some extra virgin olive oil. And we're just going to give that a good mix up. Okay, so once it's all mixed up, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to leave this to marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably longer. Preferably you do this overnight, but at least 2 hours I would say. So I'm just going to put a couple of plates on top of this, just to kind of push it all together. Then we're just going to cover it in some cling film. And I'm going to leave this in the fridge just to marinate. Okay, so our vegetables have been marinating now for 2 hours. So we're now going to blend this up. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of cold water first. And I'm using a stick blender for this, a little hand blender. You can use a food processor if you want, but for this I'm just going to use a hand blender. Okay, so that's our soup blended. It's very important that this soup is served chilled, so I'm just going to go in with some ice as well. Okay, and now we're ready to serve up. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this recipe a go. Also, if you are enjoying my videos, please give me the thumbs up and please just hit that subscribe button. And it just means you'll not miss out on any of my future videos. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon.